Hello everyone, my name is TORJ and welcome to this brand new house situated in one of the guarded communities here in BF Homes Las Piñas. Tara, pasok tayo! Hello! So as we enter this main door, you are welcomed by this open layout living and dining space. And ang maganda dito guys, it connects you directly to the outdoor area spot. So the living and dining space seamlessly connects you to this very relaxing outdoor spot, and you have this beautifully designed pool area. So hindi lahat guys ng bahay na merong 280 square meter lot sa BF Homes may swimming pool. Kaya this one is a very special feature of this property. And as you can see on the perimeters of the house, you have bamboo plants. So pag yan mas tumubo pa guys, mas kumapal pa ng konti, it will be very aesthetically pleasing. Plus, it's an added feature for your privacy. And on this side guys, I just want to highlight that you have a side yard over here. So the design of the outdoor areas of this house is very consistent. On the ground, they used artificial grass. So ang kinaganda ng artificial grass guys is it's very less or low maintenance. You don't have to water them daily, you don't have to cut them regularly. And kung anong itsura niya ngayon, yan ang itsura niya for the longest time possible. Now, let's go back to the indoor area. As we go back inside guys, pakita ko naman sa inyo this open layout kitchen. And guys, sobrang spacious nung kitchen mo. You have lots of cabinets here. And ang ganda ng pagka-design niya because it's color black, the countertop is black. It really complements each other and the overall design of the ground floor. Plus, you have a very good source for ventilation here. Right outside guys is the utility area which I will show you later. Ang maganda dito guys, you have the preparation table here which I really like. Now, the layout of the ground floor actually promotes social interaction. So just imagine, pagka may family gatherings kayo, yung iba nagpe-prepare ng food dito, while yung iba nagkikwentuhan sa dining room, yung iba nagre-relax sa living room, yung iba pwedeng mag-swimming. So it's a seamless kind of interaction within the home. So now, I'm going to show you another feature on the ground floor, which is, I'd like to call the flexi room. Tara! So, this room can actually be your working station, your family room, or even a guest room. Or, if your parents are living with you and hindi na sila masyadong makaakyat sa hagdan, then this is the perfect room for them. And right beside it is actually a common bathroom. So this can serve as a bathroom or a powder room if you have guests. So now, before I take you to the second floor, I just want to show you another thoughtful feature inside this house, which is a storage below the staircase. So actually malalim pa to sa loob and you can store a lot of things. Maybe mga holiday decors, what else? Mga luggages. It's up to you. Marami ka talagang mailalagay dito. Plus meron din sa second floor which I'll show you later. Tara! Going up. So, going up guys, gusto ko lang i-highlight itong massive window na to by the staircase. So, hindi lang kita ngayon, but this really promotes natural light that comes inside your house. And of course, on the second floor. But since gabi tayo nag-shoot, hindi lang kita dahil madilim na. But for sure, when you view this property, guys, ng umaga at tanghali, you will definitely see the real purpose of massive windows in a house. So now I'm going to show you this bedroom. Bedroom number 1. So you will be surprised by this very high ceiling bedroom. It's 12 feet ceiling height. Lahat ng bedrooms dito sa second floor, ganito ang height ceiling. And you are already provided with built-in closets over here. And you have already a table that can serve as your working station, your study area, or your vanity. Now, another feature that you will like about this room is that it has its own terrace. So, yung makakakuha, guys, ng room na to, talagang swerte nga naman dahil marami kang mai-invite na friends at pwede kayong mag-chill dito outside the room. And right beside it is the ensuite bathroom. So, I love how it is elegantly designed. Meron na rin siyang partially enclosed glass for the shower area. You have a spacious vanity sink and vanity mirror. You have storage underneath, and you have this decent space for your water closet. Now, let's move on to the other bedroom, which is bedroom number 2. So again, i-highlight ko ulit, kahit paulit-ulit, this has a 12 feet ceiling height, very spacious, very airy atmosphere. You have a built-in closet here. And if you want to maximize this kind of high ceiling room, siguro ang masasuggest ko, you can maybe put another loft level. Maybe an example is this one over here. And now this is the ensuite bathroom. So it's similarly designed with the bedroom 1's bathroom. And hindi ko nabanggit kanina, guys, that the vanity mirror is actually functional. So it's very useful and dedicated for all your regimen needs. And ang maganda sa mga bathrooms, lahat silang may windows. So rest assured, all bathrooms are well ventilated. So now, let's go to my favorite part of the house, which is the primary bedroom. Now, what you will love about this primary bedroom is that, again, 12 feet ceiling height. It's very spacious. It's the biggest room in the house. You can fit your king-sized bed here and your media center on that side. Ngayon, you also have your own balcony here, which you can make very cozy by putting your favorite plants, putting a coffee table, 2 chairs, you know, just to unwind after a very busy day. And ito, talagang magugustuhan nyo to, guys. This is the bi-level walk-in wardrobe and bath. So just imagine, guys, how much you can put in these cabinets. You can showcase all of your favorite belongings such as your favorite bags, clothes, shoes, etc. And on this side, guys, meron ka pang allotted space for your vanity, and I would suggest, guys, lagyan nyo to ng salamin na merong ilaw sa gilid, yung parang sa makeup studio. It's actually similar to what I have right now. And guys, mga ladies, it's very, very useful. Now, let me take you to the spacious bath. Again, featuring this very functional vanity mirror dedicated for all your regimen needs. You have, again, your partially enclosed shower. You have your window right here for very good ventilation. And guys, pakitaas nga dun here. That's another source for very good lighting and ventilation to the whole wardrobe area. And I've mentioned, it's a bi-level wardrobe. So dito sa taas, you still have another big space that you can maximize. So you still have for clothes storage here, and ito, ang nai-imagine ko dito, ang pwede mong ilagay is a center table. There's a photo that I'll show you right here. So this center table is where you can showcase your favorite watch, jewelry, your favorite accessories, earrings. You can even put your favorite socks, underpants, mga bow ties, neckties, dun sa mga drawers. So, I hope you are imagining what I'm imagining right now. So now, let's go down. So bago tayo guys bumaba sa ground floor to see or show you the other parts of this house, I just want to also highlight this extra storage that you have above. So medyo mabigat lang siya guys, but if you pull this, there's a ladder na mag-e-extend. Then there's still, I think up to here ang space niya for all your bigger stuff. Wait lang I'll just try if I can pull this down. Ayoko namang masira, but here it is. Pakita mo please. There you go. So this is the perfect spot for all your Christmas decors. Yung mga bulky stuff that you don't use on a daily basis. So there you go guys. So ngayon, pakita ko naman yung labas ng bahay. Tara, baba tayo. So right outside the house is your very welcoming and spacious porch. You have a total of 4-car garage. You have 2 here and 2 cars over here that you can fit. Plus, just take a look at how it is beautifully designed para aesthetically appealing siya. And let me show you the other side of this house, which is the utility area. So even here guys, merong side yard which meron ding artificial grass to maintain the, para consistent yung aesthetics ng house na to. So now, I'm going to show you very quick lang kasi may mga laman. So this is the utility area where you can do all your laundry needs. This is the bathroom for the helpers. Medyo may laman lang din guys. So, huwag niya nating tingnan. Pagka nag-view na lang kayo, okay? And this is the helpers room wherein you can fit up to 2 helpers. And on this side guys, this is another access going to the pool area. Okay? So this brand new single detached property sits on a 280 square meter lot with a total floor area size of 400 square meters. This property gives you 4 spacious bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, a helper's room with its own bath, and 4-car garage. 5 things you will love about this house. Number 1, it's brand new. It's beautifully designed. It's very modern. 2, it has a very good layout. And number 5, ang magugustuhan nyo dito is how the builder really thought of the smaller details. Like for example, in the outdoor area that I've shown you a while ago, you will see the side yard with the bamboo plants, with the artificial grass design. So it's actually consistent when you go outside of the house, from the garage, from the side yard, from the pool area, even the utility area, guys, mayroon kang makikitang artificial grass design with bamboo plants on the perimeters of the house. So for me, I think it's very thoughtful kasi it is consistent. It makes the design of the entire home very consistent. And it is aesthetically pleasing. So kahit anong part ka ng house pumunta, lahat maganda, lahat pleasing, lahat nakaka-good mood, di ba? So now, if you have any questions about this property or if you want to see this house in person, my details are right here and on the description below. Again, my name is TORJ. Thank you for watching. Goodbye!